Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows display errors. So I will share to you different methods and ways, so you just need to follow the method or solution that will best work for you by watching this whole video. So let's go quick into the process. First is you need to try to restart your Windows because a simple restart can usually fix an issue because when you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes and programs on your Windows. So try to restart your Windows first by simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method is we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is updated on our Windows. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Best Match Device Manager, simply click on that. Now maximize the Device Manager window. In here, you need to locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now you might have the NVIDIA or AMD or any other graphics card driver where well the process is just the same. Make a right click and then select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method is we can also run the Windows security scan to check for any threats and viruses on our Windows. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type security. Now you will find Windows security under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have to click on virus and threat protection on the left pane. You'll find the scan options. Click on that. Then you'll find quick scan. So you can go with quick scan if you are in a hurry, but this will just check for folders or some folders on your Windows where threads are commonly found. So I suggest that you need to go with full scan because this will check the entire system. Anyway, so just simply click on scan now, and anyway, you can just simply minimize this window and do your other task on your Windows and simply go back to this. Once this is 100% completed or this scan is completed, and then once done, simply restart your Windows afterwards. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type msconfig. System configuration under the best match, click on that. Now click on the services tab. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Before we can click on apply, you have to click on the start app. Click on open task manager. Click on Start App Apps, and then you have to change the status from enabled to disabled. So what you can do is that you need to disable the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows. Just simply make a right click and then select disable. Once done, close out of here. Click on apply, click on OK, and you have to click on the restart option. Then for the next method is we can also run the system file checker scan. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Now here in this block window, type sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for, repair, and fix any system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed and then close out of here and just restart your Windows afterwards. For the next method, we can also run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type this mds ched.exe. mdsched.exe. Click on OK. Now, this is the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So, memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. Now, check your computer for memory problems. Simply click this button, Restart Now, and check for problems. So, that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.